As we have discussed in our last video, the one platform users trusted the most has now opened its door to the advertisers. OpenAI has introduced the ads, and almost instantly businesses began eyeing this as a powerful new channel for reaching the audiences, one that comes with inherent trust. But the real question is, does this actually translate into meaningful engagement, or will it become an expensive hoarding? So only time will tell. But here are some interesting patterns that we have released from the pilot testing of ChatGPT ads. Stick till the end to understand the same. Are ChatGPT ads actually a massive opportunity for your business, or just a new kind of tax that you will have to pay to stay visible? And much more importantly, are people even ready to see the ads inside the conversations, or could this eventually backfire on the OpenAI and everyone involved? And at the end of the day, do these ads genuinely help businesses bring in the clients, or are they just adding another layer of noise? Welcome to Softtrix. My name is Amy, and let's move forward with the analysis. OpenAI is moving past its limited invite-only testing phase of ChatGPT ads and is now planning to let businesses run the ads on their own through a self-serve system starting this month. Amidst all this, you might have also seen the headline: OpenAI's ad pilot reportedly hit $100 million in the annualized revenue in just 6 weeks. This surely sounds huge, but there is a catch that we need to understand. This isn't a success, it's a projection dressed up as the traction. The annualized is not the same as banked. This means based on the current pace and in a controlled environment, they would hit that number over a year. And why would they not? Currently, about 85% of the platform users are eligible to see the ads, but OpenAI is showing the ads only to 20% of the users on the daily basis. This suggests they are being very careful not to ruin the user experience while they scale, and that's a good thing. So after all, if there are no users left due to annoying little ad cards, who would Sam Altman show these ads to, and who would buy from these ads? But let's talk about the performance of these pilot ads for a minute. There is something very interesting hidden in here. So if you are used to Google search, the numbers coming from the pilot ads might really shock you. Early reports show that the ChatGPT ads have a click-through rate of as low as 0.91%. For context, the average on Google search is around 6.4. This is why many experts are also calling this as a potential brand tax. That's because obviously the ChatGPT is now a platform that is culturally very important. With over 800 million users, any brand would feel forced to buy these ads just so the competitors don't own the space, even if the direct return on investment is not there yet. So should you also move your ads budget to ChatGPT and pay OpenAI to share some limelight? Well, our advice would be no for now. According to the latest analysis, the platform is better for high consideration categories like the B2B software, education and travel, home improvement, high-end e-commerce, and so on. But why? Because the users searching for these terms on the ChatGPT are generally in the research and the discovery phase. They are not just typing a keyword, they are explaining a situation and asking for help narrowing down a choice. So if your product requires a long, thoughtful buying journey, this conversational interface is a natural fit. But on the flip side, if your business relies on the impulse buys, low ticket items, or extremely CPA efficiency, you should probably wait. Most mid-market advertisers still have better growth opportunities in the proven channels like the the traditional search or the paid social. Don't get confused early visibility with the early fit. Moreover, the OpenAI has promised that the ads will stay clearly separated from the responses and won't influence the AI's actual users. They have also stated they won't sell your private conversation to the advertisers. So for now, how efficiently they target the ads to their optimal viewer will be something that we will have to wait and check for ourselves. But the immediate update is the pilot is expanding across Canada, Australia and the New Zealand. If you are the PPC manager, the move right now is not to rush in but to be curious. Ask yourself whether your customer actually uses the AI to make the buying decisions. So also let me know in the comments. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of the digital marketing.